At first, connect the machine by Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. Click series number. And then enter key database. Pay more attention. Press stick key, enter. And then please put the key name HU66. Search HU66. Enter HU66. Here is a plastic key. How to install the key? Depend on the picture and the video. And then camera. Click camera. If you have the key, please select album. If you don't have the key, you need to take picture. Please click photo. Please adjust the picture size. Then make the key straight. Move every point at the edge of the key beadings. And then click OK. You can watch the key beadings. The next is to install the key blank. When all is ready, please click Cut. Continue to cut the key.